If Earth suddenly stopped rotating, the consequences would be profound and catastrophic, fundamentally altering the planet's environment and the conditions for life. The immediate impact would be an enormous atmospheric upheaval. Earth's atmosphere, which currently rotates at speeds up to 1,670 kilometers per hour or 1,040 miles per hour at the equator, would continue moving at this velocity after the planet's sudden halt. This would generate winds of unprecedented force, powerful enough to obliterate buildings, uproot forests, and cause widespread devastation across the globe. The intense wind speeds would also lead to the stripping away of topsoil, turning once fertile lands into barren deserts. The oceans would experience a dramatic shift as well. Currently, Earth's rotation causes a slight bulge at the equator due to centrifugal force, but if rotation ceased, this force would disappear. The inertia from the sudden stop would cause a massive redistribution of ocean waters, with water surging towards the equator and creating enormous tsunamis and floods. These oceanic surges could inundate coastal areas, dramatically reshape landmasses, and submerge vast portions of the continents, leading to a major reconfiguration of the Earth's geography. Temperature extremes would become a defining feature of the new environment. Without rotation, Earth would experience perpetual daylight on one side and endless darkness on the other. The side facing the sun would become exceedingly hot, with temperatures rising to levels that could vaporize surface water and led to extreme desertification. On the dark side, temperatures would plummet to frigid lows, potentially below -100 degrees Celsius, resulting in the formation of massive ice sheets and a virtually uninhabitable environment. Geological and tectonic impacts would also be significant. Earth's rotation influences the distribution of mass within the planet and affects tectonic plate dynamics. The sudden stop would remove the centrifugal force that slightly counteracts gravity, leading to increased pressure on the Earth's crust and mantle. This could trigger massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and significant shifts in tectonic plates, potentially creating new mountain ranges and deep fissures in the Earth's crust. The Earth's magnetic field, generated by the rotation and movement of molten iron in the outer core, would be disrupted by a cessation of rotation. This loss or weakening of the magnetic field would expose the planet to increased solar radiation, stripping away the atmosphere over time and leading to harmful levels of ultraviolet radiation reaching the surface. This increased radiation could cause significant health problems for any surviving life forms and contribute to the further breakdown of the planet's protective atmosphere. Human civilization, built on the stability provided by Earth's rotation, would face unprecedented challenges. The destruction from extreme winds, tsunamis, and floods would obliterate infrastructure, agricultural systems, and cities. The drastic temperature changes would render most of the planet uninhabitable, leading to widespread famine, societal collapse, and the breakdown of global systems. The extreme conditions would make it impossible to sustain large populations, and the social, political, and economic structures of human societies would likely disintegrate, leaving behind small, isolated groups of survivors in the few habitable areas. In the long term, Earth's environment would reach a new equilibrium, but it would be a vastly different world. The extreme temperature differences between the daylit and dark sides would lead to the extinction of most current life forms. Only highly adaptable organisms or extremophiles might survive. The planet's atmosphere and oceans could eventually stabilize, but Earth would become a dramatically altered world with little resemblance to the vibrant, life-sustaining planet we know today. The profound and far-reaching effects of a sudden stop in Earth's rotation would result in a planet fundamentally transformed, with devastating consequences for all forms of life.